Welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on our new story, Umkhokha replacement from the 3rd to the 7th of March 2025 on Monday. We are introduced to the world of Ezulwini, where the Magwaza family seems to emerge triumphant from an early tragedy, but little do they know that their troubles are only beginning on Tuesday. Banele's action jeopardized his brother's good news. Manduli finds a way to make peace, but new information changes everything on Wednesday. As the Magwazas prepare to honor tradition, disagreements threaten to delay the negotiations. Zama and Banile's relationship hangs in the balance, and Pablo puts his foot down to protect his daughter. Celebrations takes a drastic turn when a visitor arrives with an offer and a warning that could change everything on Thursday. Banile's grand gesture softens Zama's heart, and she or he makes a noble decision. Pablo makes a discovery about Zama and it leaves him furious on Friday. Pablo makes a drastic decision and Banele finds himself in a war he was not prepared for. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy this new story. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.